We have arrived at Carmax, so we're here. We're going to find out exactly what the value is of our 2020 Shelby Gt500. What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well in good spirits. Well, today's a great day. If you clicked on the video, yes, we're taking the Hulk, our brand new 2020 Shelby Gt500, to Carmax to get an appraisal done because, hey, the channel goes down, you guys stop watching, I can't afford this. We got to know what the value is. We got to get rid of it. Also, if you don't know, now you know, we're actually giving away our own 2020 Shelby Gt500 courtesy of Petrolworks. How do you get that car? And if you do win it, you could take it to CarMax yourself and get cash for it if you don't want the car. I don't know why you wouldn't want it, but if you don't want it, you could do it. And how do you do that? Well, I want to show you some cool merchandise. We just got official license from Ford to sell this stuff. Check it out. Ford licensed right here. Pretty cool. Here's that vintage metal. You can hear the metal. Officially licensed Ford signs. Again, this is officially licensed stuff. You can see right there. Has a barcode, everything. Check it out. GT500giveaway.com. But this is pretty cool here. Ford motor since 1903. The old school, not old school, but 50 years. Without further ado, let's get a cold start. Let's head over to CarMax. Cold start time. Cool thing, I don't know if you guys knew this, but CarMax actually is owned by Circuit City. It's always good to know, you know, cars and are not a really, if you get the right car, they can appreciate. You know, you think about cars like the Ford GT, not the new one, the 05 and up, that has appreciated in value tremendously. So I don't know what the market is going to be like this. Say what they do. I'm going to say, this is my curiosity. I'm just going to say they're going to offer, I'm going to say $75,000. All right, so we're going to go into our, so we're here. We're going to pull into our appraisal spot. We have arrived at Carmax. So we're here. We're going to find out exactly what the value is of our 2020 Shelby Gt500. Yeah, it's really a phenomenal car. You know, we got the green to show off. It's,
I'm gonna mess
you know, the whole hood is covered with the film. You can see where the film separates here. See how that film is? So you're good to. It's made to protect it from like rock chips and whatnot. Yeah.
And it's a 2020.
2020.
It's a
Mustang Shelby Gt500.
All right, we're gonna go put this in the system.
Okay, great. Does this account for like dealer markups? The appraisal?
The appraisal.
Like, does it account for like the market value with dealer markups? Because even though the car is currently like, it's like 80,000, but you search and it's like going for like 90, 100. Does it account for that or no?
They're going to take a look at current market conditions for that vehicle.
Okay.
What they're selling for, overall averages, condition of the vehicle, the mileage on the vehicle, and then they're going to go from there. Disclosures on title. It's Ford Motor Company, and you are the.
Yes.
Right. Do you have 2 keys for the vehicle?
Yes, I do.
Any aftermarket modifications?
I do have performance tires on the back.
Anything else?
And an upgraded exhaust system.
Are you aware of any mechanical concerns? Probably?
No, everything else is perfect. Yeah. They're leaking though. Big time. Look at that. Uh-oh.
Would you be removing anything before selling us the vehicle? Anything that you may have put on the vehicle after?
No.
So just the way it is. All right. All right. So there we are. So I'm going to take your cars over to the buyer's office, and one of our buyers is going to go out and.
All right. 2020 wanted to know what it's worth because it is. They only made 5,000 of these this year, and there are a lot of dealer upmarks on this.
Oh, I'm sure.
So I'm wondering.
Everything that comes out brand new.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering is.
Yeah.
And
You let them put a hat on
well, we have the paint protection film.
You do.
So you can see there's a little change there. So there's no worries on that.
Okay, cool. Wow, this is my favorite color.
Yeah, it's grabber lime.
Oh. Are you legit just for that one?
Yeah, I mean we still have 10 tags on.
That's nuts, man. Hey man, I'm not gonna find anything on this. It's gonna take 2 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
I can't even drive it because it's too new unless it's been in an accident or I find something for repairs.
I mean, you're welcome to drive it. I'd jump in with you if you want to experience it. But yeah, it is new.
I want to, but the risk involved with something expensive, man, it's not even.
I hear you.
But no, it's good. All right, let's begin, man.
Yeah.
They make these in stick.
They don't make these in stick.
don't?
This only comes in a 7-speed dual clutch now.
Really? Okay.
Which is kind of like, you know, the copying off the Porsches and whatnot with their dual clutch is kind of exotic. Yeah, it has heated cool seats. Basically all the options except the $20,000 upgrade track package, which was a little bit over the top for me, but
an additional $20,000.
An additional $20,000, yeah. So I was like, yeah, $18,500 to be exact. So, yes.
Everything stock on this?
Well, everything is stock except for we put brand new performance tires. These are stock wheels, but we upgraded the tires to performance tires, tinted windows, and then we have the paint protection film on the car. The exhaust is stock except for we put a performance pipe between the muffler and the X pipe to make it a little bit louder.
Okay. You still have your cats on it though?
Still cats are on it.
Good.
X pipe still. Yep. I know. I didn't think there'd be much. I didn't think there'd be much information because it just came out. 760 horsepower, 7-speed dual clutch, quarter mile in the 10-second range.
It doesn't even have the engine size.
Yeah, it's a 5.2. Yeah, 5.2. And then to open it, you push these factory hood pins down. And then it lifts up. There's a normal latch in there, normally, and then it'll pop up. Yep, to your left. Good to shut it? Or you want to need something to check?
All the way. I need to take pictures of it.
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Do your thing.
Yes.
Yeah. We just found out that the car is so new, it's not in the system yet. So my friend here has to actually manually input everything. So I appreciate his time and his attention because yeah, it's so new, it's not in the system yet. But
if we find a problem, then we start to look into it a little more.
Gotcha.
Right? So if you find like something has been painted, you take a look and see if anything's been rewelded, things of that nature.
Gotcha.
But as you can see on this thing, it's immaculate. Take a look on the rear.
Yep. So like what he said was they're checking for any resprays, repaints, welds.
Like damage on anything.
If I had like got an accident, they're looking and I didn't report anything for like, yep.
Exactly. Which this thing is like as clean as they can get.
Yeah.
I find rewelds on cars every single
Really?
day. Yeah, oh yeah. Because people don't know, like you get.
People don't know you buy something from somebody else and.
That or you get in an accident and they repair it and the body shop doesn't tell you that they rewelded it to fix it. They just said, hey, they fixed it. It looks good, right?
Gotcha.
So
Yeah.
That's pretty much it. And they're just like, oh, it looks good. I'm happy with it. The insurance company or whoever pays for it. How about this color? Oh,
Yeah.
absolutely love it. Is there a little ding on there already?
We find
A
something?
ding on there.
Uh-oh.
A ding on there.
Uh-oh.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
I can't tell. Nah, I think that's our. No.
It's a little ding, but don't worry, it's not going to hurt you.
We found a ding. Well, we're definitely selling it now. No, just kidding.
No, you're not.
Hulk has a little bit of a ding there. No.
You sent me a picture. I'm like, there's a tiny ding, but
You can't see it.
You know, like you can't take a picture.
Now, is this a little bit of overspray from the factory? I'm just being like curious. Do you see that there?
That or it could be from the road. Why is it black?
Yeah.
I would say it's something.
It's just dirt.
I think it's dirt.
Now I'm trying to act like I'm an appraiser. I'm like, all right, you got a little bit of thing here, a little bit like that. Uh-oh. It's a. Oh, I appreciate it. We've been asked to find out what the value is, so we're here.
Nice, man. It's beautiful.
Appreciate the support, brother.
Yeah.
You know, when he's out and about, he's Bruce Banner. But when we go to the track, it's all about the Hulk. But
Beautiful, man.
thank you.
Yeah.
It's something in person that it's even better in person.
Yeah.
The camera doesn't pick up this green like the naked eye can. You know it's eagle green too. You know how we roll. You know how we do it up here. I see you. So yeah, I mean what I like about this Mustang. It does everything perfectly. You can relax, enjoy it, and
it's a great all-around car.
It's not just a one-trick pony.
Right,
you know, pun intended, I guess.
Right.
But
It's beautiful. Though.
thank you, brother. I appreciate the support.
Keep it right.
Hey, man. God bless you. Appreciate it. Yeah.
Continuous success to you.
All right. God bless you. Thank you. So actually, the car is so new that I have to wait. They're gonna have to contact a lot of people to find out. So, of course, the power of editing, I'll have it offer for you when we get it. And they email me back. But this is it.
Everything checked out exactly what you expect for a brand new vehicle. There's a small little ding on the passenger quarter, but everything else is okay, which means that's exactly what you expect for that year mileage. History report, clean, also as expected, so no reported accidents as of right now in history report. And then, so we're at able to offer you $65,000 exactly for your car.
$65,000. Okay. I appreciate that, and you'll be able to send that to me in an email as well, right?
Absolutely, man. I already sent it in the email, so you should have that in your inbox. If you don't see it, just give me a call back, and I'll be able to resend it to you. The offer is good for 7 days if you want to take stuff on it.
All right. Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate your time.
You got it. Have a good one.
You too. Bye-bye. Just got the offer. Let's discuss. Just to wrap up this video, it's a low offer. But remember, this is like a dealer. Like if you take it into an appraiser, they're going to flip that car and probably sell it for 85, 90. Also, this car is so new. We checked on Kelly Blue Book. It's not available yet. We also did do a checkup on eBay, and I'll put that hit up right now. You type in 500. Of course, these are like zero brand new cars, and they're going for like 90, 100 plus. The carbon fiber track pack. But yeah, so this car sticker was 78, and after tax and tags, it's like in the 80s. So already we've lost 15 grand. So looks like we're keeping her for a while. But no, all jokes aside, I hope you guys enjoyed that fun video. Or when you win yours, you either get a $65,000 check, or you have a pretty cool, one-of-a-kind car, which I think we'll appreciate. Hopefully, it's too early to tell. This is a very preliminary. How you like my hair? Preliminary. It's so stupid. I have my hat on. Preliminary video, but I was curious, and there's so many things going on with markups and people modifying them and where you stand. So we're at 65,000. I am bothered about that nick. Maybe it's time to wrap this car. Who knows? Stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys staying all the way to the end of the video. It means a lot. Check out the website because you guys know it never ends. Peace. Haircut time. Mad about this ding. Where is it? See, you can't even see it, dude. How did he... Just like... Where is it? This car needs to be like... Where is... You can't even see it. I think he made it up.